The VW Touareg is a 5-seater SUV that has been in production for 3 generations starting from 2002 till present. Though not popular in the Kenyan market as the Japanese SUVs, the Touareg thrives in a niche market of premium buyers that appreciate its excellent build quality, off-road capability, top safety ratings and sports-like performance. It competes with the BMW X5, the Mercedes GLE, the Porsche Cayenne, the Audi Q7 and the Volvo XC90. In this category, it's only the BMW X5, the Audi Q7 and the Volvo XC90 that have 7-seater options. The one we are reviewing here today is a 2013 model that falls in the 2nd generation that was in production from 2010 to 2018. This one comes with a 3-liter turbo diesel V6 engine that accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.6 seconds. Other engines that are offered in the lineup include a 4.2-liter V8 petrol engine that accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.8 seconds, and a 3-liter V6 hybrid petrol engine that accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.5 seconds. On the outside, the 2nd generation Touareg maintains the same body type as the previous generation, but introduces subtle changes such as the bi-xenon headlights with daytime running lights. Other noticeable changes include the chrome-plated twin exhaust and diffuser. All grades come with alloy rims that range from 18-inch to 20-inch depending on the grade. On the inside, the cabin feels spacious and modern with well-illuminated instruments and dials that are neatly arranged and within reach. The legroom is good on both rows and tall people will find it comfortable. The panoramic sunroof that extends from the front to the back gives the cabin an airy feeling and a touch of luxury. When you step on the accelerator, the VW Touareg is quick to accelerate and it moves effortlessly, and at no point did we run out of power even when we were climbing steep hills. If you need even more power, you can opt for the 4.2-liter petrol V8 or the 3-liter petrol hybrid, which are even more powerful than the 3-liter diesel. If properly maintained, the VW Touareg is a reliable car with minimal issues, but if you skimp on maintenance, then be prepared to spend time at the garage. Also avoid adulterated fuel, especially for the diesel engine, as this will kill your engine quicker than anything else. Service parts are fairly priced and available from VW specialist shops in Nairobi. Body parts and sensors are expensive and sometimes they are not easily available in Kenya. Thanks for watching this review and we hope you've enjoyed it. For a more detailed review of the VW Touareg, visit our website www.topcar.co.ke or follow the link in the description below. If you want to buy the Touareg as well, the link is also given. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload fresh content. Thank you.